Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 86 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with React.js. And in this video, we will work on the popular seller section. We have, because currently we are working on the seller list detail and all the things. So we will fetch popular sellers, right? And then we will come to other section. And one more thing before start, uh, I apologize for the last video that video is not properly audible because I plugged out the mic and then I remember that it is plugged out. Then I plug in again and start doing this. So after some time, you will listen the proper voice, but for few minutes it's not properly audible, right? So I apologize for that. So in this video, we will mainly work in the popular seller for the home page, and here we will fetch. So let's start to do this. So before that, I just want to need your attention for the first video, and I have uploaded the features. If you can see in the description part, right? So in that part, I have defined that how we can fetch the popular things, right? So according to the product download counting, so we will fetch categories, projects, sellers according to the product download count, right? That how many products download. If zero, then we can fetch according to the latest recent products, right? Recent things, right? So first of all, we will see the download count, then we will see the recent, right? So let's start to do that. Okay, so let's fetch the popular sellers according to the product download count or recent joint, right? And then we will see that how we can fetch the categories. So first of all, we will see the vendor list here, and we will use this same for our popular vendors, right? So in let's open the home page. So we have here product, source, component, then not seller. Let's go to home page, home. Let's go to popular sellers, right? Sorry, popular sellers, right here. So what we need to do, we have a single seller, and we will append that. So first of all, let's find, so fetch testimonial data. We will say here fetch popular vendor, fetch popular vendors, right? There are different methods to do this, and I'm going to pass the vendors. Let's say fetch limit, and okay, fetch limit is fine. So if it's fetch limit, it means it is coming from home page, and we can apply the conditions, right? So let's copy this one, paste here, fetch popular vendors, set, we will see here, let's copy this one, paste here, and we will say vendor list, right? And then set vendor list, right? And then in this one, like this, okay? And then we have vendor list. So what we will do, popular product section is okay here. So seller box, this one is box, so we will say vendor list dot map, and then we have, so I will do single one, so single like this one. So I'll copy this, no need to create new things. So copy this, paste it here, right? And remove other ones, remove all this. So here, let's remove this. Okay, and here we will say vendor list vendor. So we are saying single product, so we'll say single. What is that? Single seller or single vendor? Single seller. Okay, so we'll say single seller, right? So what we are seeing, seller slash single seller, right? And then in the single seller we will pass here. So, and what we are passing in single seller, let's check. So props name is seller. Okay, so home seller, in this we will pass vendor, right? And then we have vendor list, fetch limit vendors. So let's go to view, right? Let's copy this one, right? And then we will go to vendor list, and here we have this thing. First of all, we need to query set, right? And then we have query set, and then let's apply here, and let's apply this one. So we have this thing. So if fetch limit in the get, then what we will do, first of all we will see how many limits. So home page we are setting 4. Okay, and before that we will apply the condition qs equal to query set equal to qs dot annotate. Okay, so we are getting the popular vendor according to the according to the product counting, right? So product counting is a part of the product download counting is a download. We have a field in the product model. So in the home page, no, not home page, in the view, what we will do, annotate. So here we have total downloads, total, or we can say normally downloads equal to count, and here this is the relation product, right? The name of the foreign key, if you see in the vendor model, product model, then we have this is the vendor, right? And it is connected with the product model, right? So we have here defined product, right? Downloads this, and then we will define order by, right? We will define order by minus downloads, it means descending order or id, right? So we have this one query set. So let's see now, right? Here popular sellers, here you can see. And then if we define this, so this has 4 products, this has 8 products, that is working. If I change the order, then let's see what happened. So it is changed the order because of the download counting, right? Product download counting, right? So we have defined this, we have fetch the popular seller according to the product product download counting, right? We will see this symmetry in the context of designing, but our main priority currently, let's complete the functionality, right? So these are the popular sellers, and we will fetch only 4. Then if someone want to go, then we can click here and they can go to the vendor section, right? In the next video we will try to cover the popular categories, popular products, and we will fetch here the categories for the vendor, right? So thank you so much for watching the video, and if you need the source code of this project, then you can just go to multi-vendor e-commerce here, and these are the 2 repositories, right? And here I have defined that how you can get the source code. This is very big support for me, so please help me to run this channel and do everything, right? And if you need more projects related to Django or other things, then you can just go to projectsplaza.com, right? And there you can download the Django, Laravel, PHP, Python related projects, right? So thank you so much for watching the video, and if you need anything, then please send in the comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Okay, and after completing the source code, I will deploy on VPS. So we will learn how we can deploy the things. Then we will come to the new projects. Okay, so this is the website. This is very simple. I will create in Django. This is currently in WordPress. I will create in a Django. So you can download here, and this is also a support for me. If you can just download the project, this is small projects, right? So thank you so much, and please share, subscribe, like this channel, right? Thank you.